Good morning, everyone. How are you, my friends? So basically, in this video, I get a lot of questions about how much time it takes me to run my eBay business. Okay, so I have two stores. One is my main account, and I have a second account that I started around maybe 2 months ago, something like that. And yeah, I decided to share with you how much time to do like a vlog, how much time it takes me to run my eBay business. Okay, and that you will actually see how much time it takes me to run my business. So basically, I have three VAs working for me right now, and all three of them are listers. Okay, they are only listing items to my store. It means that the orders and the customer service, I'm doing this. Okay, so yeah, let's dive straight to it. Okay, so it is 10 a.m. right now. Okay, I started a little bit late today. I have a lot of notification of items sold, and I have this is my secondary store. Okay, this is not my main account. I have a lot of things to do, a lot of messages, a lot of orders. Yeah, so let's start, and I will keep you updated. Okay, it's 11:27 right now. We are about 1.5 hour in, and I already finished my secondary account. Now I will go to my main account. That will take me a little bit longer, but yeah, I think that we can get it by 2 o'clock, something like that. So let's keep up. It is 12 p.m. right now. I just finished a training call with my VAs. Okay, a tip from me: you always want to keep track with your VAs. I hear a lot of people and VAs that worked in the past for other people that there was no communication between the employer and the employee. And for me, it's super important to actually to have some communication with them, because they also need training all the time. They need motivation. They need to know that you are still in charge and that you are on top of things. Okay, you must talk with your VAs, and I'm trying to implement that more and more. At least do this once a week. Do a call with them, get them the points that I want them to get better on, and always change things. Try new things, that see what works, what doesn't work, and also check out from them what are the problems, and where I can help and figure a solution out. Okay, so let's proceed with the second my main account, and I have orders, a lot of questions, and I will keep you posted. So it is right now. It is almost 3 o'clock. Okay, I was in Instagram. I posted on Instagram because I really try to build up my social media. So I spend like an hour on Instagram for my posts and other stuff. I'm going to lunch right now, and I will see you when I get back. It is 5 o'clock. Basically, I finished for today. Okay, I have a couple of questions left, so let's break this down. So I started 10 a.m. Okay, and it's now 5 p.m. I took 1 hour break for my Instagram account that I'm trying to build, and 2 hours more for I had a lunch break. I went to my mother's house to eat with her. So it is 7 hours minus 3, it is 4 hours. So basically also Monday is the most busy day because Saturday and Sunday I don't work on my account. I'm not processing orders or answer any questions. So this is my busiest day that only took me 4 hours. Okay, so in regular day it takes me maybe 2-3 hours max if I had like a huge amount of orders and questions. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more of that and you want me to make videos of certain topics, leave your comments below, okay? And leave your comments below how much time it takes you to go ahead and run your eBay business every day. Okay, thank you for watching. Hit this the thumbs up button if you like this video, and consider subscribing if you want to see the most update content about eBay dropshipping. I will see you in the next video.